Next, mischievous Muppets. A kindergarten school is in Pune, Maharashtra has given a contract for catering service to Pune-based agency. Okay. Kindergarten. The toddler catering agency registered under GST, who said the catering service provided to toddler catering education in the school is taxable under GST. What is so they are saying preschool is only exempted, this and all taxable is saying whether it is taxable or not. Answer to supporting relative provision. We will see the catering services provide education institution providing service by way of preschool education and education up to higher secondary schools are exempted under GST. So preschool to higher education, catering services is exempted. So the given statement, catering service provided to toddler catering agency to mischievous Muppet, a kindergarten school is exempt from GST. So it's not taxable, it's exempted. So